I worked closely with Marcus Evans. We focused on a couple things, which was getting very familiar with the speakers and all the panel members. And then I also worked very closely with Shantae, who was organizing the entire thing as well, to acclimate me on what the goals were, etc. The benefits there are several. The first benefit, I think, is to understand where, from a vendor perspective as well as from the sponsor perspective and the CRO perspective, etc., where everybody comes from with regard to the clinical research perspective and how that is being implemented from the patient perspective, the subject perspective, the centricity, etc. So it's an awful lot of different variables that impact clinical research that I'm learning about during this conference. It's been very good, great networking, the ability to hear experts in the field from various different functions, and also the ability to make the connections. As I said, the networking is good, but to make the connections for future business. The do's are to pay attention to all the speakers, definitely. Also become very acclimated with them beforehand. The don'ts are, do not impart my own personal opinion on what they are going to say. Excellent. This has been one of the most seamless things that I think I've ever experienced. The organization from the food and the planning, as well as the agendas and the IT has been really, really impressive.